Kairos is a moment in time when everything just works out, when everything just comes together in your favor. It's a time inside Chronos or outside of Chronos. So anyway,
you are clever. You're like higher grade. You're like dropping English bombs, bruh.
Sorry.
Okay, go on, continue.
Anyway, the Kairos is the first of its kind in South Africa, I dare say.
Yes.
It's 10 tracks, fully gospel, fully mjaivo. No hymn turned into mjaivo, completely original.
Nice.
Released in 2017. I'm working on a follow-up album with the Revolution Twins right now.
Dope.
And a few interesting features are coming through.
Yeah.
But it's dance. I'm a DJ. I do club, I do club DJing. I do DJing in churches, which is weird.
It is very weird.
I do that. So for me, this is just to give young people, especially in different churches and that have that walk with Christ, permission to say you can be as creative. Just be authentic, keep the message, but yeah, go out there, have fun.
Go out there and have fun.
Yeah.
You've been having fun for 19 years.
Yes.
Lots and lots of fun.
Yes.
What are some moments where Twasa, you're like, if I wasn't me, I wouldn't have been able to either meet this person, be in this place, or travel to this country. If I wasn't Twasa and I didn't have the microphone or the camera wasn't in front of me, I would have never experienced these moments.
I think for me, that kind of moment was when I got invited to attend the national orders.
Yeah.
At the union buildings, and I thought, who knows me here?
Wow.
And I was sitting next to Trevor Manuel. I was like, oh wow, yeah, it's happening now. But I also have to say the 3 times I interviewed Brenda Fassie, both on television and on radio.
Sheesh,
for me, I felt like, oh my God, my life has come full circle. Thank you, Jesus.
Yes.
We're all right.
I'm good.
You know what? Yeah. So I think for me, those are the 2 really outstanding moments.
Yeah. There's a lot that you can tell about someone by 3 things, in my opinion. By the music that they listen to, the food that they eat, and the books that they read, right?
Yeah.
Number 1, Twasa, if I had to invite you to my house and I said, choose the meal that you want me to cook for you, what would that be? And also, what music must I set up in the house so that we can have a nice little vibe? And what book must I buy as a present
for me?
For you.
Okay. 1, you can buy me the Passion Translation of the Bible. It just came out.
Dope.
I love the Passion Translation. So the Bible is my best read of all time.
Yeah.
Secondly, I would say play Dr. Dumi and play Hillsong any day. That's my music.
Yeah, so it's that nice mix, Dr. Dumi
and
Hillsong.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And then Sunday food, 7 color buffet. That's like my thing. Beetroot, pumpkin, rice, chicken, cabbage, carrots. Don't leave out the gravy. And then
Listen, she is down to earth, just like the food she eats. Twasa, unfortunately, we don't have time, but I want to play the song from your album, which is called Bao featuring Wanda. And I want you to take my job right now and do the honors of introducing the track.
Oh my God.
Go.
Well, it's 3 minutes before 2 o'clock. You're listening to Radio 2000. My name is Twasa, and do follow me on social media at Twasa Girl, on Facebook, Twasa Online, and on Instagram at real_Twasa. And here is my song, Bao, Twasa featuring Wanda.